National Security Advisor Ajit Doval has delivered a powerful message to Indian Gen Z. And it is not about careers, social media, or technology. It is about responsibility, nation building, and India's future. Speaking in Pune after receiving the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award on the death anniversary of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he urged the country's youth to move beyond enjoying freedom and start contributing towards building a stronger and more secure India. Calling the occasional deeply emotional, he recalled his student days in Pune where he first learned about Lokmanya Tilak ideology. He said he never imagined that one day he would receive an award in Tilak's name. Addressing Gen Zs directly, he said that today's youth must understand Tilak's vision of nation building and the sacrifices he made for the country. He stressed that the freedom does not mean together whatever one wants. Instead, true freedom means accepting responsibility towards the nation and always putting nation interest first. Drawing a parallel history, he said that if Lokmanya Tilak were alive today, he would probably declare making India a strong and developed nation is my birthright. According to him, while India has achieved political independence, the next mission is to transform the country into a developed, secure, and global powerful nation. The NSA also said young Indians against choosing any path that harms the country's interests. He said decisions that go against the nation's welfare can never truly serve an individual's long-term interest. Referring to the challenges India continued to face, he said, upon the youth to remain united and dedicated themselves to nation service. He expressed confidence that India's young generation has the capability to make the country one of the world's strongest nations. Doval also praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, saying he has closely witnessed their commitment of the country's progress and national security. He concluded his address by reciting a patriotic poem, leaving Gen Zs with one message clear. India's future will be shaped not just by its leader, but by its youth. So, is this a defining call to action for India's Gen Zs as the country moves towards its vision of becoming a developed nation? Ajit Doval believes the responsibility now rests with the youth to turn the vision into reality. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment box. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.